Hi YouTube, and welcome to another video. You know how we do here. We get to the word of the Lord and then we get to the project. So the word of the Lord today is coming from Numbers chapter 20 and verse 12, and it reads as so. Because you did not trust in me, you will not bring this community into the land. So if you want to know more about what's going on in there, go to Numbers chapter 20 and you can read the whole story of why God said that the one person wouldn't take the other people into the land. So thank you for joining me for the word of the Lord, and let's get to the project. All right. And that was Numbers 20 chapter. It was Numbers 20. Let's see. Let's just make sure. Numbers 20 chap Numbers 20 and verse 12. All right. So the project that I came to show you today, I made some more notebooks. I cut the covers. The wood covers are cut with the Glowforge, and then I used my cinch to do the paper and the cardstock. So if you want to see the full process, you can go back to the video before this one, and I did the whole process on camera. But I just wanted to show you the new books that I made. We have this one, and this is for my great niece. Her name is Patience. She's a twin, and this is her book. And then this is for her brother Isaac. Isaac is not her twin, but Isaac is her brother. So I made Isaac one. And the children, I told them to send me images of what they wanted. So they picked these images and they sent them to me. I scanned them and what is that process in Silhouette where I traced it in Silhouette and just got the outline, and then I sent it to the Glowforge as a SVG, just the outline, and then I didn't engrave them, but I scored them on high definition because engraving takes so long. So if I don't have to engrave, I score. So these are scored. And then this is her twin, and her twin, Faith and Patience, are twins. So yeah, so that's this book, and I love this image. I love this girl. This image is so cool. Um, and this girl right here, because of all of that hair, she took almost 1 hour to complete this, and that was just the girl, because I sent her to the Glowforge without putting in this or the holes, just to see how long it would take to do it. And she was 55 minutes. I was like, whoa, because of all that hair. But this is the image that she chose, and I wanted her to have exactly what she wanted. So I love it, how it turned out. And I cinch bind it and with some rings. I'm going to have to try to find some more of these rings somewhere. I found a bunch of them in my stash from years ago. But when I went to Hobby Lobby to find more, and I just found these, and these are only like I think 3/4 of an inch, and these rings are an inch, so I could have probably got way more paper in there. And I didn't show you the inside. So this one, I used this scrapbook paper, and I put 4 sections. So let's find the sections. And then she has that paper, and then I use that scrapbook paper, and also for this one, this scrapbook paper. And these all came out of the same scrapbook. I don't remember what it was. I just went through a bunch of paper because I have a bunch of scrapbook paper. Just went through it and just picked some of the pretty ones that I thought. So that one is for Patience. And then for Facebook, I use a different line of scrapbook paper, and so I use this one, and then we have this one, and we have that one, and these are sparkly. Let's see if I can get the sparkles to show up. This is sparkles. And then I have one more. Each section has 10 pieces of plain paper, and then that one. So that all came out of the same scrapbook folder as well. And then for Isaac's book, I used this scrapbook paper, and I think his came from different books. I think I got a couple of different books for him because I didn't have a lot of boy scrapbook paper. And then he has this one, and let's see, and then I use this one for his, and then he has one more. And like I said, each section has 10 pieces of paper that I put in there. But yes, I love how they came out. I love Isaac's, and I love his, I don't know, I forgot the name of this font, but it was in Silhouette Business Edition, and I love how it came out. So I really, really love it. And then this one as well, and this font is in the Business Edition as well. So I think this one is Hello Amanda or Hello Amelia, something like that. And then, like I said, I don't remember what Isaac's was. But yes, these books, they came out, I dropped Patience. These came out so great, and I absolutely love how they came out. So I'm getting ready to put them in the mail as they live in another state. It was the twins' birthday earlier this month, and then Isaac's birthday was last month, so I'm mailing them all out now. But yes, so that's my project for today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you come back. I still have more content to create for you, and I hope you enjoy the content. If you're interested in a Glowforge, which is what I use to create this, you can check the link down below, and I will add the link if you're interested in the Glowforge. And also you can check out my Etsy store. These aren't listed yet, but they're going to be listed probably in the next week or so. But I did list, the bags are already listed, although I haven't showed them on my channel yet. They're already listed on the Etsy store. So if you want to check out some of the bags, you can go to Etsy and check those out. And thank you for watching. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends.